So I downloaded the app from App Store, and the app, you can register and you have an option to not register, just go straight. And then it has different models. So the one that I just showed is the D30, and then on the box it also is a D30S. So I picked this one. It doesn't matter. Edit simply, print speedy, multifunction. So let's try this one. And please turn the mobile phone Bluetooth on. I believe mine is on. Edit the content. Next. Okay, try it. This. And then. Okay, I'm gonna just try print. Bluetooth OK. Search for the device. Oh, it says searching, circling. Let's make sure my Bluetooth is on. It is on. It's not connecting yet. And the machine is right here. I don't think I have to press anything. Let's see if I have to press. Okay. I did have to press. Unfortunately, I didn't follow. Click to connect. It's searching. It is connected. I had to press on the on and off button. Detecting. Oh my god, this is so exciting. So because I'm charging it right now. Nothing happened. It's connected. So weird. Nothing happened. Okay. Oh, it's happening. So right here, I'm gonna unplug it. It's charged a little bit. So here you go. Look at this. I had a spelling error. And then on, oops, right here. This is too excited.